Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a message on one of my videos and they say when they edit text to path after it's already on the path, it scatters. I've never found that to be the case. So let's just do it text to path, and I'm going to try all different kinds of scenarios. So I'm going to take it now and change it to that. Still works. Arial black still works. Airbrush still works. You know, you could change this. It's one of the reasons I decided to make the video, because you could kind of change the look of it when you get to something like that. But we're going to go back to this, and now I'm going to make it 300 points. So I'm editing again, and it just makes it bigger on the path. Now, I'm going to try a couple other things, but before I forget, if you select it all, let's say you have something typed out that's more than text to path and would be take some time to do it. I'm going to go to object and break the text apart, grab the text. You can go to text and straight in the text so it's back to where it was, and then you can edit your, if you want to try a different font, and if it did do that. That's too close to Arial. Let's try to find something a little harder. Like that. Text. And I don't ever know if people get my messages when I reply to them. Some people do, because I get them to email me. And that's the best way to contact me with questions. And on this particular video, since I mentioned that, I will put my email address to the back of this. Now, you can always grab your shape tool and edit this text by bringing it down the path more. So I don't see, really, let's say we edited it. Now let's try to change the font back to Arial black. See, it still works. Everything's working perfect. I don't really know. I should have maybe waited to make the video, but I thought I'd show off that, because I've used that a lot. Let's say if you have 15 words to type out, you have to select both the path and the text, go up to object, break the text apart. And see, that's what you're going to do when you're through anyway. But then just go to text and straighten the text out, and then now it's back to where it was. Anyway, I hope that gave somebody a little bit of insight for something, and thank you for watching.